Hello, a very pleasant good morning to you all children. This is the last part detailing of the chapter The Midnight Visitor. This is part 4. So let's begin now. See the paragraph. Max bit his lip nervously. You know why, children? Because Max became nervous about the situation as the knocking continued. The knocking was repeated, and Oswald asked him what would he do next. Oswald added that the door was unlocked, and if he didn't let him open the door, the police would enter anyway and would definitely shoot if they saw him with a gun. So now Oswald used his wit, his clever brain, his clever mind, and created a false story first in the beginning about balcony, and now this time he Oswald told lie to Max that the police had come at the door and were knocking. Now next paragraph. Max's face was black with anger. What is the meaning of black with anger, children? Black with anger. Black means deep anger, intense anger, too much. Okay? And swiftly meaning quickly. So see the meaning now. See the meaning of this paragraph. Max was angered for what? By the situation and ran quickly. The knocking on the door grew louder, and someone from outside called for Mr. Oswald twice. So somebody on the door was calling 2 times. Max was sitting on the window sill. You can see the word given sill. What do you mean by window sill? Sill means a shelf, shelf, that is at the bottom of a window, either inside or outside, and facing inside so that his gun could still be pointed towards Mr. Oswald and Fowler. So, the louder the knocking of the door is still continued. Okay. And Max pointed the gun to both Oswald and Fowler. Now, Max then held the window sill. You can see the next paragraph, keeping his body twisted. So, Max then held the window sill and sat at the sill. You can see the word given here, sill. The meaning I have already given. Window sill, a shelf that is at the bottom of a window, either inside or outside. Grasped meaning to hold tightly. Okay, so he held the window tightly. He grasped it, the frame of the window sill with both legs inside. So he twisted his body. Okay, he folded, he distorted, twisted at the sill with both legs outside. The doorknob turned, that is given in the next paragraph, and Max thought that the police would be coming in, so he jumped from the sill to fall on the balcony, and when he fell, a loud and shrill scream was heard. You can see the word shrilly. Shrilly means high pitched sound. Screamed, he cried. There was a sharp cry, the high pitched sound. Okay, so Max straightway directly he fell from the sill on balcony, and there was a shrill scream heard. Okay, a shrill scream was heard when he fell down. Now, when the door opened, a waiter stood at the door with a tray, a bottle of wine, and 2 glasses. He came in and kept everything on the table and said that it was the bottle that Osable had ordered for. So the waiter very deftly, you can see the word given deftly meaning cleverly, uncorked means opened the bottle and left the room. So the waiter went away. He opened the cork of the bottle skillfully and left. Now see Fowler. Fowler did not understand what had happened and white-faced, meaning frightened. So Fowler was staring. Stared means looked keenly due to shock. He was surprised. Fowler was surprised. He was staring, looking at Osable. He was too surprised and shocked. His face was white. He was frightened. Stammered, meaning of stammered means spoke with halts. Spoke with pause. Because Fowler did not understand what had happened. And that, where was the police? To which Osable replied that there was no police. And that he knew that it was only Henry, the waiter. And Osable was expecting him only, not the police. Then again, Osable asked about the man outside the window, that is Max, outside the window, to which Osable replied that he would never come back as there was no balcony and that Max had fallen on the ground from the top floor of the building. So, dear children, balcony plays a very important role in this story. Balcony plays the role of a door to the story's climax. After the reader finds Osable in a tight situation, because Osable had no gun in his hand, so he was in a tight situation, there appears to be no escape for the protagonist. The reader thinks Max will succeed in extorting, in getting the important report on missiles and outsmart Osable. But with Osable's presence of mind, he uses the balcony to outsmart his rival successfully and emerges as a super spy. So who is the super spy and superhero of this story? Osable. Though Osable's looks, appearances were not like that of a secret agent. Dear children, in the opening of the chapter, there was a question whether Osable outwits or not. Obviously, Osable outwits, Osable outsmarts Max in a very clever way. Very tactfully and very cleverly, he uses his presence of mind and outsmarts Max. So, dear children, this is the end of the